In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Ads campaigns into another account. By the end, you'll know how to copy a campaign from one account and paste it into another using the built-in tools in the Google Ads interface. First, open Google Ads and make sure you're signed into the account that currently holds the campaign you want to move. From the left-hand menu, head to Campaigns. If you land on the Overview page, that's fine. Just click at Campaigns again so you're looking at the full campaigns table with checkboxes and controls across the top. Find the campaign you want to move and select it. At the top of the table, open the Edit menu and choose Copy. This places a copy of the entire campaign, including its structure, into your clipboard within Google Ads. Think of this as preparing a duplicate that you can paste into a different account. A quick tip: make sure you've chosen the exact campaign you intend to move, especially if you manage multiple campaigns with similar names. Now switch to the destination Google Ads account. Use the account switcher in the interface to move into the other account where you want this campaign to live. Once you're in the correct account, navigate back to the campaigns view so you're on the same type of page. Ready to paste. Look for the More menu, represented by the three dots near the top of the campaigns table. Click that, then choose Paste. Google Ads will begin creating a new campaign in this account based on the copy you made. You may see a brief confirmation or settings prompt. This is your chance to double-check things like campaign name, budgets, and statuses as they appear. When you confirm, the campaign will be added to the list in the new account. After the paste completes, take a moment to verify that everything looks right. Check targeting, daily budget, bidding strategy, and the campaign name to avoid duplicates. Keep in mind that some linked or shared items, such as certain conversion actions, audience lists, or shared budgets, may not carry over automatically between accounts. If those are important to your setup, plan to recreate or relink them in the destination account after the paste. Also, policies and billing settings are account specific, so confirm that the campaign complies with the destination account setup before you launch it. That's it. You copy from the source account, switch accounts, and paste into the destination. Repeat the process for any additional campaigns you want to move, and you'll have your setup mirrored in no time.